Alright, so next up, we are going to remove door panels so we can take handles off. First up, you're going to need to get a pick. Back here you have a there we go. Put that right there. It just looks like it's a Phillips. Okay. Go underneath. There we go. And we have we have two Phillips in there. One really deep in there. The other one, not as deep. Right now, give a little pull here. Lift up. There we go. So this little hole right here, 25, see what happens. Hey, 25. So, there we go. Take that out of there. Wiggle it out of there. There we go. I'll take this piece. All right. Put some pressure on this rod. Like that. Pull it, and it'll come out. Take up your little gasket here. Alright, so next up, we're going to take the mirror and the door handle from the front door. Yeah. Before you start taking door panels apart and take door handle off, make sure you have at least one window all the way down, so you can reach in and open the doors from the inside. Otherwise, you're gonna have to figure out some way. I've never had to do it, but break into the car somehow. Behind the handle, pick off. Use a plastic pry tool. Go ahead, pry up on the corner. There we go. Lift up. Take your needle nose. There we go. There we go. Door panel taken off. So, now what we're going to do is take the mirror off. So what you do, you take your little pry tool here, take that off, disconnect this connector here. Remove that. Get your 10 mil out. I always leave a couple threads on just in case it decides to let go and fall on the ground here. hold onto the mirror. And it has a little pressure, and it comes off. Now with the handle, you have to pop this little cap off. T25. Find the little thing, there it is. Take it off. Which is the same thing as the back, so you're gonna need your 90-degree pick. Fish it in there a little bit. There we go. Like that. I'm gonna scoot up somewhere. What you need to do is take this. Roll out the window. Out again. Take off your liner. Now you have to go in here, take the connector off here. See this connector? There we go. Handle off.